This is for you, babe. Mother's Day gift.
Thank you. Oh my god.
From me and Island. Hello, mommy. What's up? Good day here.
It's Island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's Island. Boy.
What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys. So you guys see the title, you guys have an understanding of what going on in the video or what's about to happen, isn't it? Yeah, man. So today is Friday as I'm doing this video. Is it finished work like an hour ago? Isn't it? So I've been busy working all week, and so Mother's Day is this Sunday, and I wanted to get Babes a gift for her Mother's Day, isn't it? So I got her an handbag which I know she will love, because the last time I went shopping in Lismore, you know, she pointed out like 2 things that she liked, you know, without telling me that's what she wanted. She was like, oh, this bag look really nice, you know, and these shoes, you know, would match with, you know, my outfit or whatever. And so, you know, sometimes it's like to choose for a woman, it's very hard. So sometimes you have to just, you know what them want, or if them see something what them like, yeah, right, to say, you know, that she want. So the bag that I bought is actually what she liked in the store. So, you know, I couldn't go to Lismore, because the thing is that when I go to work and I leave work, be able to get ready to go to work, because after I leave work she goes to work and I stay with Thailand. So I couldn't go because, you know, she have to use the car and all of that. So it's not just on Mother's Day, you know, me treat her or whatever, or get her a gift as eat if she needs something, me get that same way as me. But yeah, you know, Mother's Day is special, so we make it special the same way. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna surprise her on Sunday. As I said, today is Friday when I'm doing the currently doing this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna surprise her on Sunday. I definitely know that she will like this bag. It's a Guess bag. The brand is a Guess. So definitely, guys, stick around for that. I mean, you guys will see it in this video anyway, because it's obviously an edited video, so it's just gonna skip right to Sunday. Yeah, man. So unless something else happen in between this video. And also, guys, you don't know mommy the yard same way, so you know me have to send her something same way, cause me not did it for, you know, me not on the ground right now, you see me. So yeah, me have to get mommy something as well. So yeah, man, so stick around for that, guys. Let's go now. Wagwan, beautiful people.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man.
happy days today.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there, including the mothers that are doing it tough.
Yeah.
Single mums, also single dads, because you're playing both roles.
True.
Yeah, so happy Mother's Day, and we wish you a very special day, and hope that you're all having a beautiful day.
Yeah, man, definitely, you know. Big up to all of the mothers that work hard and provide, and you know. Yeah, man.
100%. So what are we up to now, babes?
Yeah, we are going to the shop and I'll go buy some meat, do a barbecue today. Some jerk chicken, some Argentinian asado. I
don't know about Argentina. No, we can't.
We're not doing that today?
No, not today, because the meat shops are closed on Sunday here.
Alright, but yeah.
And I notice you look like you're nice and summery. You hot.
It's not really too bad at the moment. Yeah, guys, so Babe gone to buy some wine at the bottle shop. And today is the day, guys. Today is Sunday. I already tell her, you know, happy Mother's Day from morning already. You see me? So I still have the gift. I haven't gave it to her as yet, but when we reach home, I'm gonna surprise her with the gift. You see it? So yeah, man. And also my mom back home, you know, planning to send her something later today as well. So yeah, you know the thing go. Yeah, man. I have to make sure so the moms them special. Yeah, man. So that guys, and stay tuned for the reveal. Let's see it. Yeah, man. Oh, good.
Anyways, I got the wine, but I was wine is really nice, isn't it, Melbeck? This guy's like parking there. Do you reckon you can get out?
Oh, he's reversing.
Oh gosh. Anyway, Do you want me to get a pork rib?
Yeah, it's up to you. What you feel like?
Not really big on pork, but just for you guys, more like it. You and Uncle Dave.
I'm good. Is it this turn?
Yeah, this turn. Dave still doesn't get.
Sometimes in place I confuse me same way, you know. Even though it's a small town. Because I don't come out to walk these streets like that, so. Hey baby.
Hello.
What? Wagwan.
There.
Come in here.
Wow.
How are you today?
I'm okay.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, you gonna prank me?
No. Well, today's Mother's Day, right? Yeah, so it's a very special day. Yeah, so you know, every day is Mother's Day, but you know, the day them officially make, and well, them say it's Mother's Day, so you know, I have to make it extra special for you, you know that. Yeah, so the last time we went somewhere, go shopping, and you know, I don't always get it right with like gifts that you want, but you know, you gave me a hint and I, you know, picked up on what you wanted, and I got you something for Mother's Day.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so alright.
They bring on the waterworks. Oh my gosh. Alrighty.
Here we go.
No, let me see.
Yeah, so
Oh my god.
got you something for Mother's Day.
Oh
A gift that I think you will love, because you know, as I said, once I see something that you like, you know, I would have got to get it. So this is for you, babe. Mother's Day gift.
Thank you. Oh my god.
From me and Island.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, so
The whole Fambinos. Oh my god.
that's for you. I guess.
Oh my gosh. A guest bag?
Yeah.
What the heck? Thank you so much.
I remember the day when we went shopping and I see you point out, if I'm correct, I think from memory it was this bag. You pointed out and I was like, I have to get this for you, so.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, so
Happy
sweet.
Mother's Day, baby.
Thank you, darling.
Love you.
Show the bag. Love you too, my darling. So this is it, guys. Wow. Yes.
Like
Yeah, new. Guess.
it? Yeah.
Here
And
we go.
it even comes with what you call it, where you can put it on.
Oh, like the way I like to.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Yay. This is beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Hang on a sec. Wait, it's got like a one there and one there.
Yeah.
So you can wear it like,
like you can.
cross wet.
Or you can do it
Like that.
No, that's
Like you
okay.
probably hook it there
Yeah.
or something like that. Hang on. I want to break it already. My gosh. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm so happy and excited. Is that a receipt in there? I don't want to know how much it was.
This is not the price. This is if you want to change, if you don't like it or something, that's just
Is it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's not the. It doesn't have the price.
Exchange. Oh, okay. Very good.
Yeah.
See them all.
I love it. Thank
Hold
you.
on.
Thank you. Love you so much.
Love
Thank you
you,
so
baby.
much. I'm so super happy with this bag, guys. What you know?
Yeah, man.
Bling bling.
You
Ching-a-ling. Yeah, no. It's not about the material things. I
Yeah.
actually really like the bag.
Yeah.
I saw it. When I saw it the first time, I was like really amazed. I was like, I like those handbags.
Yeah.
But then I looked at the price tag and I'm like, oh, it's a bit far-fetched for me to buy. So I was like, they're
Yeah.
nice bags, aren't they, babe? But I wasn't hinting for him to buy. I just was telling him they're really nice
I
bags.
remember that day you hinted two things. You hinted the shoes. There was a shoes that you hinted, and also the bag. And I was like, should I get the bag or should I get the shoes? And it was hard to make the decision, but yeah, I thought the bag was the best choice because
Yeah.
I liked it
I
as
like
well.
it.
Yeah.
Woohoo. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Thanks, babe. I really appreciate
You're
it. It's a
welcome.
beautiful bag.
yeah, man.
Top man.
Yeah, man. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
So guys, it's now time to call my mom. You know, tell her what's up. Hello, mommy.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. How are you?
Good man.
You there home?
Eh?
You there home?
Yeah.
Oh, request video.
Oh, yeah, man. So, I got it now. Almost there. Yeah.
Hello, mommy.
What's up?
Good day here.
Hey.
We just film.
Okay.
I show everybody. My mother from YouTube, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, for all the
Okay,
people
alright.
that don't, I've never seen my mom. Yeah, that's my mom, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We know I caught you by surprise, you know. Yeah, but we know Mother's Day in a couple hours, so yeah, but that's I say happy Mother's Day to you, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man. Wish you all the best and
Yeah.
yeah, and also me send you something as well, you know, so you can go collect it Monday. Yeah, Monday, and treat yourself to something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, mommy.
Who find everything to your one? Maria.
Me send it in a fair name. Yeah, me make she send it off. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot. And me just get them. She text me and tell me, and then me get the message.
Okay. Yep. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so how your night?
Eh?
How your night been?
Good so far, you know. Good so far. Me dey go up in the town.
Okay.
Yeah, cause that's why you see me all me years here.
Yeah.
Me did left go in the town, go deal with something.
Yeah.
To watch it. And me never get to comb it, so me just it dey wet see where everything, and me go in the town, run go up there, go deal with something because me never want the place to lock up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me come back down, so me I done and go comb it now and pack up some clothes and iron some because me have church tomorrow, so me I go iron out some clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, not much though, maybe one or two suit for work.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
that's good.
Yeah,
I got
man.
make you see Island as well. And babes.
You're good?
Yes.
You say hi, Grandma?
Yeah.
Hi, Grandma.
Nice.
Hi, Grandma.
Grandma Delcita.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye.
Yeah, give his sports a quick. Babes.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, Maria.
Happy Mother's Day for tomorrow. When is it? Next couple of
Yeah, a couple more hours, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
And same to you as well.
Thank you so much. It's we've been talking.
Yes, and I wish you all the best.
Thank
Hope you enjoy your day.
Yeah, I have. Thank you. We're gonna start up a fire now to make some food.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. He's filming us.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. You take care. You take care.
You are going. You guys have enough for this, you know? Yeah. A long time I see you, man. Where you going in?